So like in 2 days, we've seen Kaspa coin skyrocket about 16%. Now, today you guys can see off the chart that we predicted that the market in Kaspa was going to continue to go high. We had our ultimate area of resistance right here at the high of September the 20th. That's the only reason why we had that market resistance, our ultimate TP price there, because we already knew that there was a better probability of the market hitting that point than where it is right now, around 6.5 cents. Now, could we possibly see the market in Kaspa coin continue to go higher? We're going to talk about that today because currently the simple answer is yes, because the trend is still intact in Kaspa. The only problem is that the market is breaking away from that trend, and when it does that, it kind of gives you that blow off top. It kind of shows that the market is coming overextended, it's becoming exhausted, it's getting tired of moving in one direction. So we may begin to see the price in Kaspa come lower, back down to this trend line that you guys can see. So let me go ahead and give it this price prediction here, 8.41%. If we were to have the market down 28.25, simple. Let's talk about the market in Kaspa now, because as I zoom out, take a look at this particular exchange, MEXC. This is a relatively new cryptocurrency. We are trading at points that we haven't seen before. This is uncharted territory, meaning that you could be possibly stepping on landmines if you're trying to come in here and purchase this particular cryptocurrency, as you see it breaking away from this overall trend. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to extend the trend for KAS. And this is the current direction. Like, of course, you have to say that the market has a higher probability of going higher because of the fact that price isn't breaking this downtrend line. I mean, this ascending line. That's the only reason why we can say the market currently is still bullish. But when you look at the market all the way up here away from this trend line, you have to say, well, maybe this is not the perfect entry to come in and purchase Kaspa while it's breaking away from our trend. Maybe you want to come in and let it come down to this trend line and then come in and buy it. I will tell you, the last 2 days into the market in Kaspa, the volume has been climactic, especially on this particular day, November the 5th. Okay. And then the current price action in Kaspa, with us getting this indicator of weakness, an up fake, meaning that it's tricking the market into thinking that the market is bullish when it's actually not, and it's getting inundated with more sell orders. Okay. So I'm just telling you all just to be a little cautious as to how the price in Kaspa trades over the next couple of days. High volume, market currently is closing on the low on this 2-day price bar, and I would like to see how it completes in the next 7-12 hours, how it prints, because if it's down here off of the highs, then you have to say, yeah, the market currently is getting hit with selling, and being at all-time highs of this exchange is rightfully so. You would expect people to come in and try to take some of this profit. Here it is on the 5, 12 hours and 14 minutes. Puts a gold bar is currently been generated. Will it still be there in the next 12 hours? Take a look at Kaspa on the weekly. Okay, so again, just to reiterate, the market is bullish. You can see here on the weekly chart, we got a printed push gold bar, indicator of strength. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks. Even though we didn't get that indicator triggered, the market strength, the spread where the market closed in Kaspa, it still reflects a very strong cryptocurrency. Okay. Take a look at Kaspa on the 330-minute chart. Let's break this down. These are the bars that reflect selling. This one, and then this one, the second one. Both of these bars indicate that someone is taking profit in Kaspa. But look at the demand, because following those 330-minute price bars, the market goes right back up, right? It goes right back up. It tells you that the demand is absorbing whoever is selling their KAS in the market. Now for me, given that we are in uncharted territory in Kaspa, the market is trading around all-time highs. We are in unfamiliar territory. We can see how selling has increased into the market in Kaspa. To me, it is my opinion that it might just be a good opportunity just to kick back and relax and let the market trade for a little bit. Okay. Now looking at this on the 1-hour chart, this is where the buyers are absorbing the sell orders. Right there. And then here, these are the 2 areas that the market is absorbing and selling. Okay, meaning this is where the more buyers are at. As we see that weakness continue to hit the market in Kaspa, we need to see if those buyers are still here at 0.016 or here at 0.060. These two areas, if they don't hold this particular area, then the idea is that the market's going to continue to dip, go lower, might hit this particular area of congestion in Kaspa, or we may actually see it fall completely to the downside. Here's Kaspa on the 3-hour chart. Okay, and the 3-hour chart is letting me know this 3-hour price bar has literally erased the last 6 hours previous before it. Gone. The market went higher in 3 and 6 hours, and then in 1 it went away. Now there's still, like I said, there's still demand here, but I think that the overall market is gaining momentum of weakness right now. So given that that's the case, I'm going to play just a little bit of weakness. I'm not telling you that it's going to come all the way down to 5 cents. I'm not telling you that it's going to come all the way down to this trend line. Not yet. Because I need to see the confirmation of buyers continually hitting the market, not letting the price go down. Okay. So this is just a small idea of us looking for Kaspa to go down. Now, since we don't have any historical information to the left of the chart, we don't know how high market can go outside of where we already seen, which is today, the high of the market. So as long as Kaspa trades below this high from today, we have to say that the market has a higher idea of going lower. Okay. Now, let's take this back to the hourly chart to see, okay, where could we see the support? First target is right there. Right here. Okay, now that gives us what? 3.41%. My second target in CAS is going to be around 6 cents, which is 4 3/4. Then my third target is going to be around 0.058. Okay, so let's put that back on the chart. Put this on a daily time frame, and you guys can see that this is my current expectations. Okay, it's not a lot, but I really want to see buyers hold that price there, because the last 2 days of us seeing the market in CAS run up 16%, yeah, people would come through and try to take some profit. But that's what I'm looking at right now. You're up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.